on a documentary about the 10th Mountain Division. I've been working on this thing for about 5.5 years because I'm sort of self-funding it and funding it through my nonprofit, Chris Anthony Youth Initiative Project. And I'm doing this part under building educational tools for kids. I came across the story of the 10th Mountain Division quite a long time ago and worked with Warren Miller Entertainment and the Colorado Snow Sports Museum here in Vail. And we did a movie called Climb to Glory. I've shown that to 100,000 kids. And all the teachers, the schools love it when I bring that in. So I've stumbled across more stories about the 10th Mountain Division that go deeper into who they were, but also where they went and the geography of it and what was taking place around the planet at that time, as well as the women that were involved. So it's a very in-depth educational story. I have not been able to actually activate my youth project. So all the school visits that I was doing, all the getting the kids out to go skiing that I was doing, all that has come to a stop. So I thought of something else that I could do. I could use this documentary as its educational tool, and I can get the kids involved at home. And so I actually reached out to Mikaela Shiffrin. You've probably heard that name. And I said, hey, Mikaela, I have this idea. Let's do an art contest for kids evolved around the theme of the 10th Mountain Division. So the idea is that the kids will go and research some history about the 10th Mountain Division, and then they will submit their art to chris@chrisanthony.com. Top 10 best entries will become part of my documentary project. And I'm also going to give out awards to the top 10. This is not only an opportunity for kids to do something educational at home, but it'll also be entertaining. So I'm going to grab this and give you guys a little tutorial of what's taking place here. So this is the documentary project. Things down here are little cuts that I've been putting together and piecing together with this archive footage, as well as bringing in the sound effects and producing the music. So I'll give you a little taste here of what's happening. I just put these sound effects under this archive footage, this World War II archive footage of the 10th Mountain guys. Oops. To initiate a number of counterattacks. So there's some of that. So if we go in close, you can see these are all little cuts. I'm going to take you guys to where some of the ski footage is, of course, because the 10th Mountain Division was about skiers.
Type of snow terrain. Here comes the T-bar out of the base station, and it's all aboard for the ski lift to the summit of Cooper Hill. So get going, gang. You're due for a long ride. At some 7 miles per hour, the powerful lift holds.
So there's that. The reason I've involved Mikaela into this documentary project, I'm going to mute it for a second here while I go find her. One of the untold stories about the 10th Mountain Division, this amazing lady by the name of Deborah Bankart, and I got Mikaela to tell her story.
Recruiting for America's first ski troop started right away. Finding the right personality types took a very special combination of matching the entertainment with the romantic side of ski. So the Army bankrolled a civilian ski film tour with famed filmmaker John Jay. Warren Miller once referred to John Jay as the father of ski films. John Jay found a young female ski icon by the name of Deborah Bankart to take on the road as the host and narrator of his films. If Charles Minnie Dole was considered the father of the 10th Mountain Division, then Deborah Bankart was the den mother.
That was just a little clip, but you're seeing what I'm working on. It's a very long, tedious project, researching, writing the script, researching for all the archive footage, developing the music and everything. So, and over here, little taste of this email that I'm working on. This is going to be a newsletter that goes out to my database. If you want to join, go to chrisanthony.com, or actually just send me an email at chris@chrisanthony.com. I'll send you a link to my newsletter and you can subscribe to it. And let's see, I think I have Mikaela here giving a little pitch to it. I'm going to play this.
Calling all elementary school students.
Are you an elementary school student who's stuck from home for a while? Do you like to draw? How would you feel about your artwork being featured in a movie? Well, we have an idea. We are looking for talented kids to put their drawing skills to paper and draw an image of the Army's 1st Light Infantry Mountain Ski Troop, the 10th Mountain Division. Your artwork could be featured in a documentary film about this amazing piece of American history. Parents, take advantage of this teachable moment. Take advantage of this opportunity at home to share a bit of American history by introducing your kids to America's first ski troop activated during World War II, the 10th Mountain Division. Then let them loose with a piece of blank paper and drawing tools to create their vision of the 10th Mountain Division. We will feature the most creative drawing in the opening prologue of the documentary Mission Mount Vanguard. There are no parameters to what the drawing should include, as long as it shows the spirit of this legendary ski troop. This could include the mountains, the men, the women, the skiing, Camp Hale, or their time in Italy. You can submit your drawing by sending it to chris@chrisanthony.com. Enjoy!